we've got the most recent resource. You can see, I think that was on about 20 or 30,000 meters of drilling. We were able to increase, the indicated by 67%. The inferred that's a print typo, but was at 46%. On very little drilling, it doesn't take much in the way of infill and filling in the gaps in our main zone to dramatically increase this resource. And you'll see that as, the announcement for a pre-feasibility comes. And filling in that gap, ultimately, we think that, you're going to be adding millions of ounces to a resource. Metallurgical testing as good as it gets. Again, we'll dive into that further. Already permitted up to stage 2. Agnico, since partnering with us on the project, has done over 153,000 meters of drilling. They spent somewhere between $40 and $50 million on the project. And that's where you really start to see the value of that free carried interest is, we haven't had to dilute, we haven't had to do any, financial raises, and we've seen that level of work done on the project. Obviously, you're in a great jurisdiction. You've got, fantastic institutional and management shareholder base, and this is definitely an obvious and probable takeover candidate. Whether, Agnico being the obvious candidate that would be the ones to want to take us out, but we do have other companies under CA, and there's certainly been a lot of attention from the royalty companies looking at a minority stake, saying 30% ultimate interest and saying that could be a super stream, similar to what Sandstorm did on the Hot Madden project. And so there's lots of other interest and lots of other potential suitors that would love to, be a minority owner in an Agnico run mine.